Hello my YouTube's beauty, it's your girl Angie baby, and today I'm going to be using the Morphe 35H palette, and we're going blue today. So with no further ado, let's jump into the video. Hello beautiful people, it is your girl Angie baby, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be using the Morphe 35H palette, and let me show you the colors. These are the colors, and I think I was giving the suggestion because I was going to go green or blue or purple brown. I gave multiple suggestions, and I was told to do blue. So here we go. We're going to do the blue, and I think I might do a little gray, but we'll see because this is dark blue. Yeah, these are some dark blues in here. They have blue and gray, so, or blue and gold, I'm not sure, but yeah. So the first color I'm going to go into, I wish this kind of went down a little bit, but I'm going to try to show you the colors. I'm going to go on this shade right here. I'm going to use this as my transition shade. It's a little bit darker than I honestly prefer, but I think it'll kind of go well with the blue. I'm not going to put too much on here because I'm not going to lie. Let me slow down. I'm not going to lie. This palette, I would say, has good pigmentation to it. So I'm just gonna like use one dab and blend out. Probably blend out a lot. This is more like a reddish brown. So yeah, I'm going to use this, but again, this has ooh. And on top of that, I want to let you guys know I did base my eyes with the P. Louise Rumor 3, so I think that is giving it a little bit more oomph as well. So yeah, okay, so now that I am done putting that down, I think it came out really well. Kind of had to like blend it out because it was really pigmented. The next shade I think I'm going to go into, I think I'm going to stick with the dark blues. I don't want to go too with that bright shade. So I think the next color I'm going to go into, I'm going to go into this color right here, and yeah, I'm going to go into that color. And I'm going to put that right under. This is really dark. Really dark. So I'm going to keep that low because I don't want to bring it too high. I wasn't really trying to do a smoky eye, you guys. So I might have to go into that lighter shade to lighten this up because this is really dark. Okay. So now that that is blended out, I'm going to go into this light blue right here. I'm going to go into that shade and kind of try to lighten it up just slightly because I don't want to go too darkish blue. Okay, so now that that initial transition shade is a little bit lighter with the color, I think I'm going to use my flat brush, and I'm going to go into this shade right here, And see, take off the excess. And I'm going to put this on my lid area. This does have a little shimmer in it, slightly. Okay, so I'm liking how this is looking so far. I'm going to go back into, I'm going to mix these two colors. I'm going to mix that color and those two colors. So these two colors, this color and that color, I'm going to mix those two. Okay, so the next color that I'm going to go into, I'm not going to do any bright base for this. I'm going to go into that color right here, and I usually put like primer on here, like glitter primer, but not today. I think I'm going to mix it with I'm going to mix this one, and I'm going to mix the gold in there. So I'm going to do both. Okay, so that is done, you guys. I have to clean up under my eyes because blue got up under there, so I'm gonna wipe under my eyes and then I'll come back. Okay, you guys, so I went ahead and did my wing liner last minute, but also last minute I decided to go into the Norvina. This is in the volume 2, and I'm going into the color D1 on this palette, and it's like a little shimmer, and I'm just bringing that to the top portion of my eye because, you guys, I have not been doing a shimmer in a while, so your girl been missing her little shimmers. And this shimmer on here is a little bit more pigmented than the one in the Morphe palette, so I did want a little bit of shimmer on here, and yeah. So that's what I decided to do last minute. Let's add a little shimmer to the blue look. So I'm going to finish off my eyes. I'm just going to do my waterline, and yeah, I'll be right back. Hello my beauties, I'm back and I have the final look. So as you can see, I'm done applying my foundation and my lipstick. And I think the eye look came out pretty well. I am happy that I went with the suggestion to do a blue look. And I did like a simple lip to go with it because the focus is primarily the eyes. And you know, I think I did a blue look on this channel before. So maybe next time, I think I'm going to do green. But this isn't as bold as the blue look that I did before, and I'll post a link somewhere or at the end of the video in regards to that inspirational look using only the ABH palette. But let me know in the comments what you guys think about the final look. And yeah, but again, thank you guys so much for your love, for your support, for watching your girl, and mainly subscribing and sharing. But anyway, peace, love, and joy, and thank you guys again for everything that you do. Peace out.